Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to reverse or replace the blades in your DeWalt thickness planer. First, unplug it. Then take your wrench, which is stored on the top, unscrew the 4 screws on the top. These are captive screws, so they can stay where they are on the cover. Take the cover off. Next, there's 3 red thumb screws. You're going to undo those. This dust cover lifts up, slides left, take it out. Here's your blades. If you need to rotate, push this down on the left, and then you can rotate this how you need to reach the blades. To undo each of these screws, take this black cover off, which is the cover for the blade. There's a little tray here, that's where I keep the screws. All the screws are out. You take off the black cover, set that aside. You can lift the blade. There it is. Just going to rotate it. This is self-aligning. Fits right in the correct place where it's supposed to be. Put the black cover back on. And replace all the screws. Double check that you got all of them. Push this button down, you can rotate to get to reach the second and third blades after you're all done. Put this dust cover back on. Replace the 3 red thumb screws. And finally replace the cover. and you're good to go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.